This is a PSA to every last content creator out here. This is if you got a t-shirt business and you plan on creating content. This is if you want to become an influencer like myself or some of the other YouTubers you see out here. This is if you're just watching this video. This is a PSA, and I'm going to give you reasons why you need to get out right now and go buy an iPhone 13 right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what you should do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time. Now, I know I did not drop the actual intro, so I'm gonna do that for you too right now. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home or wherever you at. Man, listen, like I said in the intro, you need to stop what you're doing. I know you can't find them right now. I know they on back order, but you need to go get yourself an iPhone 13. I'm gonna give you a few reasons right here in this video, but it is important. If you plan on creating content for your business, if you plan on creating content to help educate people to become an influencer like myself or some of the other YouTubers out here that you see, it doesn't matter the industry. The fact that you're watching this video right now means you need to go get an iPhone 13. All right. If you're not an iPhone user and you're against it, I'm not here to get into Android, all of that stuff. I no longer believe in just upgrading phones just to upgrade phones. It's been a while since I've done that. But this right here is a big deal for anybody in business who's creating content. All right. First and foremost, I was ready to go and invest in a camera, right? Like a DSLR, start to up the camera quality. And, I've even been talking to companies about who want me to get better equipment, right? And I'm like, man, I can buy another camera. You know what I'm saying? I'll buy another camera. But what I do is, in its simplest form, just about the information. I don't care how the videos necessarily look. I don't care what the setting was, And so now that I'm, I'm leveling up a little bit, it's something that can improve in order for the visibility to be put out and broadcasted wider. I seen it, with Supercolor Studio and all of that stuff. So I totally understand. But I still am not going to sacrifice the content, the information that goes along with it, right? So now to tie this all in for you guys, the first reason that you should go get an iPhone 13 is because this gives you the best, most noticeable content creation visually. None of that probably just made sense, but just follow where I'm going with this, all right? This gives you the most best, I can't even put this into words. Since, I guess, portrait camera mode might have been a good thing. Okay? Now, why is this important? Because now they went and first they made picture quality better in reference to like a DSLR camera, right? Taking the portrait mode and doing a digital version of bokeh and all of that stuff for a camera was the last time that they gave us something that mattered. Now they've done that with video. You might now look at what I look like right now, even just in the car setting. Man, I called Jada on the phone the other day, or she called me rather, and I'm like, yo, your camera is crazy clear. We are FaceTiming in pretty much 4K is what it looks like to the eye. You can't tell me that does not matter. It is important. Now, if you say, okay, I just got the 12. If you got the 12, you need to get the 13. Again, I no longer believe in just getting every iPhone to come out. I mean, I stood in the very, very first line when they were $600 cash money. I bought 3 of them. I got the guy in front of me to buy one. I was in line all day. I'm an Apple fanatic, day one. Okay? Spent my college refund check to get 3 iPhones, 1 to use, 2 to sell. I broke one at an amusement park with my nephew. I sold the other one for like $2,000 and made all the money back. That was what I did with my college refund check. Tell me I ain't a hustler. All right, but anyway, I lost one of those phones on a ride at an amusement park. All right, cool. This is important. If you don't get an iPhone 13, your content that you plan on creating will be left behind visually. It will not look as good. If you're filming on your phone, this will not look as good as what everybody else is putting out now. Just me sitting in the car, I stand out from everything that's going on. If you've seen that in that clip, as far as the laws for tags or neck labels, there are laws. And you need to have the shirt creation data on it. So, well, what is the shirt creation data? Well, you need to have the makeup of the shirt, you need to have wash instructions, and you need to have where the shirt was actually made. So, made in the US, or if it's actual shirt like American Apparel, the ones that were made in the US, but like made in Pakistan, made in Bangladesh, etc., etc. So you do need to have that information on there by law. Do people follow it? That clip just was like, it was just dry. It was like flat, you know, me talking. It's about me talking. But now as I talk, I look like I'm sitting in somebody's studio right now, and they got the focus and all the background stuff, and there's different levels, and visually I stand out from even just the headrest and the scenery in the car. It's so crystal clear. It's tracking my face right now. So if you refuse to listen to what I'm saying, you're gonna get left behind. Your content is not gonna look as good as everybody else's. And yes, like I said earlier, you can't get it pre-ordered. I suggest you get at least the Pro. I'm gonna go now, because I use 2 phones. This is actually my main phone, and then I usually use a Pro Max for YouTube when I'm live and stuff, so I don't get interrupted with phone calls and things, right? So instead of cursing people out like I used to, like, man, I get mad when somebody would interrupt me and I'm on live or I'm filming something, they just mess my whole day up. So I got another phone, and now I was getting ready, like I said, to go get a DSLR, but now I don't need to, because of the camera quality right here, and I can keep my setup simple. I can do the studio thing, but I don't want to travel with that stuff. You know, anybody who's ever seen me film, or you guys see me film behind the scenes, I pop these phones up and I go to work. Every last dollar. Y'all see Wallow doing on with that cell phone? I'm doing it at a scale inside of a micro niche industry. I don't got the whole hip hop community to talk to, but you can make money off of your cell phone. That's as an influencer in your business, by creating context, showing people what you're doing in business, how much you enjoy it. You all about the work. You printing shirts, you waiting for packages, you getting orders to customers. If you just do that for your business will thrive. People want to shop with that energy right now. The internet is taking over. I made a video the other day. I was live for 2 hours talking about what I feel the state of the decorating industry is going to be in. The whole world is in a different state of mind. You have direct access to income and cash through social media. You need to be using social media in the correct way. I don't even log into my personal page no more. Somebody send me a message over there. That thing may sit for 2 weeks before I go over there and look at it. You need to live and breathe your business if you want to be successful. It doesn't matter what it is, what it may be. Even back to Stan working that job, when I started in the beginning and I'm in the security, doing security, I lived and breathed the work that I was doing. I'm having a difficult time getting the store wrapped back around because I live and breathe this right now. I just turned and had a little conversation, said, what do I do next? I wasn't tied into a t-shirt. This ain't about a t-shirt. I was always in progression of entrepreneurship as I grew this thing out. It went from computer repair to web design to photography to t-shirts to YouTube. I'm just progressing through my entrepreneurial journey, through the hustler's journey. You guys got to see that. And if you just want to print t-shirts as your entrepreneurial journey, then by all means, you can do that. But this phone is going to allow you to do that better if you plan on creating content and really living and breathing your business. That's all I got to say. You deserve it. Treat yourself. Don't work hard just to work hard. Don't work hard just to work hard. This is a treat to you as an entrepreneur, as a hustler, as a business owner. This is a tribute to you. This is a treat for your business and you at the same time. Because this is going to elevate your business and elevate your life because your business is being elevated. It's so much deeper than t-shirts. This is about the mindset. The mindset that I feel it takes. You know, how you grow and which way you go and how you do it, none of that matters. The plan that comes up, the actionable steps that you take, none of that matters. As all that matters is the fact that you get wherever you think you want to go. And when you get there, you might change your mind. I'm trying to figure out, what do I do next? It's been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.